Hello, welcome back to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Water sourced from the reservoir and be on the lookout for potentially dangerous animals that are not restrained. Authorities were alerted to Helm's Ranch yesterday to investigate reports of cattle abuse, but what they found instead was disturbingly serene. The ranch was...
So, I'm playing as Anna. I don't know why it's pronounced that way. Because it's with one N. Okay. I'm crawling. Oh no, already! Who's that loud? Someone's too loud. Medicine. Is someone dying? Oh. Someone gave up and just disconnected instead. Great. Okay. Cut it down. No. Wrong button. Wrong. Cut that down. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, I'm dead already. Oopsie. I'm glitching through the floor. Did you just see that?